Welcome to English Learn, your go-to channel for mastering the English language. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our videos. Subscribe for regular updates and new content that will enhance your learning journey. Understanding how to use have, has and had is essential in mastering English grammar. These verbs serve as auxiliary verbs, linking verbs and main verbs, all while indicating the concept of possession or experience. Let's delve into their correct applications through illustrative examples, enhancing your confidence in using them seamlessly in sentences. Have is used with I, you, we and they. For instance, consider the sentence, I have a car. This conveys possession. In another context, have suggests an experience, as in, we have visited Paris. Here, it describes a past experience, highlighting that at some point in life, the experience of visiting Paris occurred. Has, on the other hand, is used with he, she and it. Take the sentence, she has a beautiful garden. This example indicates possession as well, emphasizing that the garden belongs to her. An experience can also be presented using has, like in, he has seen that movie before. Again, it conveys a recent occurrence or experience, linking the subject with the action. Now, let's explore had. This term is utilized with all subjects in the past tense. A clear example would be, they had a wonderful time at the party. This depicts a completed event in the past, establishing a distinct timeline where the enjoyment existed. Furthermore, had also works as a perfect aspect, such as in the sentence, she had finished her homework before dinner. For here, the completion of the homework occurred prior to another past event. To summarize, the application of have, has and had revolves around the subject in relation to time. Using have with plural subjects and you, has with singular third-person subjects and had for past actions enables clear and precise communication. As you incorporate these terms into your writing and speech, their unique flavors will enrich your sentences, allowing you to express possession and experiences more effectively. By grasping the differences among have, has, and had, you'll enhance your grammatical skills, leading to more articulate expression. Practice constructing sentences, applying these verbs according to the subject and tense, and soon, your command will become second nature. Embrace these intricacies of English and witness how they transform your language skills.